Katie, now.
Get in there, Kyle. You guys gonna eat
Frankie,
after
come
this?
here.
Do they plan on it? Oh, the whole top's all split out on it.
Frankie.
Frankie, back. You gotta have one out on it.
Frankie.
You can't get these on.
Get him.
Hey, Frankie. Better step back here. You're gonna get watermelon out of you when it explodes.
Move it! I want to get a shot! Corey and Hannah! Move your butts! Corey, Hannah, please move. I want to get a nice shot.
Yeah. Look at it.
Oh my god.
Hold on.
You can see it. It's starting to go. It's starting to get wider on this side too.
I'm sure. I'll pick it up and throw it. No. Yep, that wasn't on us.
Hannah and Corey.
There is a shit ton of rubber bands in there.
Dang! Hannah, move it. You're in the shot. Oh!
Tater, get out of that mess.
Why?
Put socks on.
Just socks, Tyler. Give me
Yeah,
my
they're
shot.
just my socks. Is what they are. My
These
brand
are
new
mine.
ones. One of them was my brand new socks, the one you got on your right foot. But I
These
wore
isn't-
one time.
Todd, these are Brady's. He gave them to me.
Those are mine, Tater, and I can
How
show
can
you the
you
exact
tell?
ones that I got brand new in my freaking room.
Okay.
Don't argue with me.
Okay. Jeez. So dumb.